Hello my darling, like the way how my baby always calls me darling. Oh god, she's so sweet. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharifah Mbazike, and today's video is gonna be all about anti-aging. Yes, I'm going to be showing you the ingredients that you can use to look younger than your age. Yeah, it is possible. You can do this as long as you stay consistent and love the products anyway. So, and these products, trust me, you can always make them by yourself. So welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please kindly join the family by subscribing. And hey, if you want to be one of the family members, why don't you just turn on that notification bell? Yeah, turn it on so that whenever I upload, you are among the first people to watch. And hey guys, thank you for watching my previous videos. At least every single video has 20 views and above, and that is so amazing. It's really amazing because it has been really long without me uploading content, but yes, I'm back. And I'm sorry about yesterday because I was supposed to upload but I didn't because of several factors. But today, hey, the video is here, so don't cry anymore. So let's get into the purpose of this video. Have you ever asked yourself why some people look younger than their age? You've never asked yourself that, right? If you ever did, have you ever tried to know the secrets, what they use? Okay, now I'm here to solve all that kind of questions in your head. So the thing is here, first thing is you have to take water and also take care of your skin. But you're not just going to take water and end there. No, you have to keep on watching my videos so that you can maintain that skin. Okay, yeah, so we are going to be looking at the main ingredient, and this is going to be rice. But we are not going to use rice particles or rice grains. So last time I blended this without recording because it was for myself, and not knowing that maybe at one time I will need to tell my family that this kind of ingredient, you can use it to solve this kind of problem. And hey, these are the two specimens, all the results that I got. The first thing I got was this rice particles. It looks like sugar, but it's not sugar. Of course, after blending, not everything will blend powdery, so I always use this as my exfoliator. Exfoliators help you to remove the dead skin cells, call them scrubs, and this one you just need to add it into your scrub. If you've bought any kind of scrub, you know, those who have used apricot, yeah, you can tell me there is always some small particles. Yeah, this helps you to remove the dead skin cell on your skin and remove the dirt, and it helps you to detoxify your skin. Then another specimen is that I got from there is the rice powder. This is now the final product, and this is what we need most. But anyway, you also need this exfoliating rice flour powder kinda, then this rice powder. Yeah, so what we are going to be using this, just watch. Yeah, so we are going to be using this first exfoliator to remove the dirt from our skin. You remember in the last video I showed you how to cleanse. You can always first start with the milk. Milk helps you remove all the dirt on your skin, and also it brightens your skin. So this particle, this rice, it's rough, so that's why I call it my exfoliator rice flour. So we are going to be using this, and we'll be mixing it in the form of a scrub. Yeah, so the second result we had, this is now our rice flour. It is amazing and beneficial when it comes to getting a clear skin and a clean skin. Yeah, it has anti-inflammatory agents, and it soothes sunburns. It prevents skin from suntan if you spend a lot of time under the sun, and also it has some few sun protecting agents in it. So that's why we are going to be. So our next ingredient, we are going to be using raw milk. Raw milk will help us nourish our skin, moisturize, at the same time it does clear acne. Yeah, so preferably it is raw milk. Yeah, so we are going to be getting 1 full spoon of our rice flour. Yes, so we are going to be mixing in 3 teaspoons of our warm milk, because I want the rice to be boiled a little bit. Yeah, so our next ingredient that we are going to be adding in, it's aloe vera. Yeah, we are going to be adding in aloe vera gel. So it contains antioxidants, it has vitamin A and C, it treats dry skin, it has anti-inflammation, and it has anti-aging, wrinkles, it helps to lighten the scars and also treats skin blemishes. It soothes sunburns, and also it helps when it comes to cleansing your skin. It acts as a moisturizer and a detoxifier. Yeah, so we are going to be adding in this aloe vera gel. If you have natural aloe vera, kindly use that. So we are going to be getting 1 full spoon of our aloe vera gel, and we are going to be mixing our ingredients very well until we make a smooth clear paste. We need a smooth clear paste. Yeah, so we are going to be mixing it very well. So this is our second step. Kindly keep on watching and you see the first step that we need to first do. Yeah, so after mixing our ingredients very well, the first step is we need to first exfoliate our skin. And when it comes to exfoliating our skin, we are going to be using the first ingredient that we got from our rice flour. Yeah, so we are going to also be needing honey, because honey will also act as our exfoliating agent, because we don't need to have a dry skin. So we are going to be mixing in 1 full spoon of aloe vera, our honey. Then we are going to be mixing in our second substance of our rice flour, the exfoliating rice flour. Yeah, so we are going to be mixing this very well until we make that vigorous smooth paste. Yes, so this is what you need to do. Just keep on mixing until you have that vigorous smooth paste. And when you're applying it on your skin, please kindly be gentle and soft. Yeah, because it is kind of a rough substance, but we need to remove the dirt on our skin first, and also prepare our skin for the anti-aging remedies. Also watched my previous video. I think now you can see the changes from my skin. Yes, I've been using that remedy to cleanse off my skin. So the first thing we are going to be doing is to remove the dead skin cells by applying this onto our skin, and we are only going to massage our face for only 1 minute, and we wash it off. We are not going to wait for it anymore. Oh, that rooster can make noise. I wish the owner eats it. Mama! Yes, Mama. After washing it off, then the next step that we are going to be using is we are going to apply that kind of remedy that you've seen. Yeah, this will help you remove the suntan, the hyperpigmentation, and also you will live your life look younger than your age, like J-Lo. Yeah, you never know, J-Lo uses this, and you guys, you'll be there joking. So this is what we are going to be using. So how to use it? Just place it onto your skin and start massaging. Huda, sorry, it's okay. Okay, first leave it there. Okay. Yeah, so you apply it onto your skin, and as you're massaging in a circular motion, yeah, like that. Yeah. So after applying this, you're going to leave this for 20 minutes, and then you wash it off with warm water or cold water, preferably cold water. So yeah, I think this is done. Thank you for watching. Let's meet again in the next video. I love you all. Stay blessed. Good. Who is disturbing me? Bye bye.